Hello friends, today we are going to learn how we can make our sprite move. So let's begin. Alright, so we have to go to events and get this when green flag clicked, and then we'll get this block if there's when we go on to controls there's an if block to get that, and also when we go on motion there is an go to X and Y block, so we can put that one second. Yes, that X and Y I want it to be there, and then we want to move 10 steps and go to XY is not compulsory. If you want to put you can, but I'm not. So there's an if blank, then a specific code will happen. So where if and then there's a shape, so we'll go to sensing category and then we'll pick up key space pressed. So in that, when we click on the black down arrow, we'll get these options. So we want our sprite to first move up, so we'll get this up arrow. So key up arrow pressed, then point in direction. So you want it to point in direction 90 degrees, which we don't want. We want it to be 0 degrees, that is the up. Then now we'll do a shortcut. Before that, when we go on controls, we have to pick up this forever loop because we want this to happen in forever. Now let's pick up a shortcut way to do it. So when you click, when you do right click on your cursor mouse, there will be a duplicate, delete, add, comment and help. So when you click on duplicate, it will duplicate the code. And then where it's written if key up arrow is pressed, the second code we want it to be down, and then point in direction we want it to be 180 degrees, that will be doing it down. So then we'll go again do duplication for 2 times. Now we have got this down arrow 2 times. So the second down arrow we are going to click on the black arrow and do it to left. In that left there is this 180, we will do this to minus 90, and then when we go on the motion blocks, we'll get these turn 15 degrees and turn again 15 degrees, different arrows. So the one that is turn 15 degrees, the one which is counterclockwise, this one over here, which arrow with the arrow in facing towards the right, we'll get that one, and the one that is facing towards the left. So right now we are doing left, so we'll put that left and point the in direction minus 90 degrees. Now we'll get this second one is if key down arrow pressed, then, so we'll put this to black arrow and make it to right arrow. So if key right arrow pressed, then point in direction, we want this to be 90 degrees, that is right, and we want it to be like this. And this is the whole code. Let's see if it works. Okay, now it won't really work because we need to do one thing. So when we go on this eye icon, that's the information icon, we have to first, I'm going to rename this as cat, and then rotation style should be left and right and up and down. I don't want it to be rotating. Okay, now let's see. Here it is. It's perfectly working. Now let's take these 2 codes out, the up and down codes, and put them at the last. It's still not working. Let's take these out and let's set it to rotation style this. Now let's do it. It's still not working. When we click here, okay, we want to do this point, we want this point in direction is there. Okay, let's do okay, yes, I found it. So we want this to set rotation style to left and right, and we'll do this before move 10 steps. And now we'll put this, and we'll also put this move 10 steps in the each of the point in direction blocks below point in direction. Okay, and now let's join it together. And you can see that it's perfectly working. Now you can see if we press left and up arrow key, it will go in slanting. So we don't want that to happen. And we want a walking and running animation to be there. So these two things are missing. So let's first do is our walking animation that we'll do first of all. So when we go on looks, there is a next switch costume tool that is we don't want that. There's a next costume block, so let's duplicate it 3 times. So 1, 2 and 3, so that makes 4. Now we have to attach it after every move 10 steps. Okay, we are done with that. Now when we click on the flag, we'll get this nice walking and running animation with us. Now let's put up a background. Alright, let's put up a background now. So we go to the stage 1 backdrop where it's written, and there's a new backdrop below that where it has got an image. So when we click there, we'll get these nice backgrounds with us. So you can choose any background, but I am just going to choose a castle 2 background. That is, sorry, I'm not going to choose that. That's not looking good enough. A cat can be on the moon. Nope. Let's just pick up this gingerbread. That's not snowy, but let's pick desert. Yep, desert. Let's pick up the desert background. Done. And now let us go back to here and delete this backdrop 1. We don't want any more backdrops, so just 1 backdrop. And this should be named as desert. And now we'll just go back to the cat and then scripts. And I'll just pause this code. So this is the code, everyone. If you like this video, please click on this like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.